What's up, freaks? Today we're coming at you with a little unboxing. It is actually an iPhone case from the company Crimson and Clover. They have a ton of amazing horror cases. I definitely would recommend checking them out after this video. Our fellow freak Billy actually got one first, and after I saw his, it definitely made me want to get one. So I got my package right here. Let's unbox it and check it out live. This is a California-based company. They definitely do a lot of other stuff too, like, oh, you need the knife for this one. They have shirts and other things, a lot of horror-based things. Definitely gonna see my business again. All right, we got it open. Let's take a look at this case for the first time. And of course, a screen coming out. I had to get the screen case. And oh my god, does it look amazing. It looks so good. Actually very glossy. Like an old school VHS tape. Got some stickers on the side and everything. So cool. I would put it on my phone, but my phone is also recording right now. So I can't put it on my phone. But this case definitely feels good. Feels high quality. That print is just so good. Oh my god, looks amazing. Can't wait to make this my phone case. Definitely recommend checking them out. I think they're wearcrimsonclover.com, but they're Crimson and Clover. Thank you, freaks. Have a great night.